All right, so I'm in my sewing studio and I'm going to be cutting some plates today for some jewelry. Later on, after we break this plate, we will make some cute something with it. Floating, weightless. I need to cut this plate and let's do it. So I'm gonna be working on this plate. Obviously I'm not at home because you don't want any shards of glass around you, so just be somewhere outside or in your garage, if you have one, or anywhere like outside is fine. Okay, here is my cutting glass kit that I got off Amazon, and it has nippers, it has some pliers here, it has the knife. I picked up this cutting oil also from Amazon, and I just need a little bit, so I'll show you how I use it in a minute. Okay, I pour a little bit of oil in this little lid, and that's going to be enough for me. So I'm going to set it aside carefully here. And another thing that you will need, guys, is a mask. Wear something to protect your lungs because of the little shards and dust that we might be getting from cutting porcelain. So have your mask on. Also, you saw me wearing glasses. So wear glasses, please, as well, to protect your beautiful eyes. And another thing that comes with this kit is a pair of gloves. You do need to use them to prevent any cuts. So have them on as well. Okay, so before we begin, this is what I do. I look at the plate and I pick a piece that I would want to keep and cut around. So for instance, this gentleman right here and this boat is just so cute, and they could make like a beautiful ring. This could be like a statement piece, necklace. So I'll try to keep these guys for sure. The house is gorgeous, so we try to keep that as well. This is beautiful, the tree, you know, this part could be beautiful. So I'll try to be mindful, and I'll try to cut things and score around the pieces that I want to use. This is how to do it properly. You need to score around this rim to detach this border from the plate. And then you'll have a flatter surface to work with, which will be so much easier to cut. So let's first score around this part, and then we're gonna break it. I'll show you how. This is what I'm doing. I'm dipping my knife into some oil, and then I'm scoring it. And then I'm scoring it like that. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, that was one of the hardest plates to break. For some reason it was very stubborn, but I did get the piece that I wanted. So this is the boy on the boat. I like that it's square. We can use that. So I'm working on the rest of the pieces. I'm gonna get the house right now, this tree, and then this one, and then we're gonna work on the rim. Floating, weightless. Okay, so it's dark now, so I'm a little bit behind on filming, but this is what I'm thinking. It's a little bit late because I went ahead and I sanded the edges of the porcelain with my Dremel, and it's a new thing that I'm doing now, and I feel like it is much better and they look more polished, and it will help me with applying the copper tape. So this is the composition I'm thinking. We don't know how I feel about this one because these are all like organic and weird materials, and this is obviously very like glamorous. This necklace is gorgeous. It has 925 stamp. It is silver. I want them to be a weird shape. I am purposely making them not perfect, like the rim, the border. I don't want the border to be perfect. So
we're just gonna give you help to do what you're already doing, and have that business be like whoever you surround yourself with. One of the most fierce like management executives, all the way down to like the internal staff at the base of the pyramid. Nice workplace to see you. And career life is the opposite. Floating, weightless.
This is not voiceover Eugenia, and I'm at the point where I'm overthinking. You see? Like, I'm overthinking. I'm like, should I do this as a main centerpiece? Should I do that? Maybe this is better. Maybe that. But the whole thing is, they're gonna be just attached with a jump ring, so I can swap it anytime. So I should stop thinking, and I should just do it. And if I hate them, hey, I'll make rings out of those. So I love the way these are turning together. I think I'm turning them from cheesy to like couture. I think I need to cover the back as well. But they might be plastic and I might not be able to solder, but we'll see. Hold on, basically. Look at this detail. Look at this cutest house. How adorable this house is in the tree. Also, I realized making rings is much easier than making individual pendants like that, but that's okay because I'm excited. I'm gonna clean this up and we're going to assemble. Well, the main thing that I'm always telling you guys, and I forgot myself, I need to coat this tip that was not picking up solder anyway. Okay, I washed my pieces and this is so pretty. So much work and I only got 5 done. Ugh. Okay, we have our necklace. That's okay. It's a test one, right? We're just testing. Where's the necklace? The necklace is right here. Okay, well, now it's going to be pretty easy to assemble after all that torture. It should be pretty easy. So this is the center of the necklace, like that. So this is the center approximately. Tell that I don't like opening them because it just scratches them. I don't like it. I'm trying to be really careful, but I think this necklace would look so cute though. It was worth the time. It's just rings are literally easier to make because you don't have to set a jump ring, and jump ring could be, you know, on, guys. Look at this. What do you think? Look, this is so gorgeous. I love it. Do we need to add more, or is it like a lot? I have to try. I have to try on, and I'll give you a better look when I try it on. Oh my god. I think I'm wild before I leave because I know I won't. I gotta add like a fork here. I have to. It's gonna be like a freaking crazy touch. Hold on, because I know that I will not get back to it. I know once I'm done, I'm done. But I'm gonna add a fork right here at the edge of this where it says 925 stamp. I don't know if you can see, it's kind of blurry for you probably. It's because I'm standing, because I'm a wild person. Here, I'm just gonna add it here. It's gonna be like a nice touch. Oh my god. Oh my god, look, it has a fork now. Stop. What's going on? What's going on? So I just wanted to share with you a piece that I finished yesterday. I think it's very Erykah Badu. It's super heavy, and here you can even find a skull of a bull. It's so cute. It's so heavy. It's like so heavy. I love it. A necklace. So you guys don't know, but I'm coming back from seeing Erykah Badu. I am a huge fan. For some reason I didn't know about her up until like Vogue's interview, which is so shame on me.
Well, everything has been exquisite, actually. It's always an experience, always really creative and fun. It's very difficult to leave because it's too many pieces. Badass pieces, just everywhere you look. There's creativity and fun. And that's why I like being with my sister, Cosmo.
Oh, I love you, baby. I love you, baby. I love you, baby.